Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you a fix for this problem when this says a network cable is not properly plugged in or maybe broken. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, make sure your Ethernet cable is not broken and it is properly working. Try to connect a different Ethernet cable, and if your problem still occurs, so don't worry, we've got another methods as well. After this, when you plug in a new Ethernet cable, then what you have to do is press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and then it will open run dialog box. You have to just search ncpa.cpl and then hit enter. After this, find Ethernet, right click on it and then click on disable, and then again right click on it and then click on enable. Your problem hopefully fixes, and if your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.